exhibition race. Hello everyone to my competition. This is our contenders there. And I'll just try this. No, I'll get that. Okay, it's a...
Wow, that's amazing.
Okay, you just check that because I pick up this. Now yes, check this one.
Oops.
That's almost see that. So let's try this one because I think there's more in here. And then we check. Oh yeah. Just double down. One. I think I'll do. Whoa! Yes, now I did that and that one almost did it. Okay. I think I'm gonna swap for a while. Does that make a sense here? Okay, I just left it out. So here's blue. Okay, so it's the same, but it didn't actually get it.
I think you should go for a light one.
Okay, I'll try everything. This is right.
Wow, you almost did it.
Oh,
That's good.
I think I would just fix that for a while. Welcome to the car exhibition race.